This is nice. This is also nice. Not bad. Wow. This is excellent. This is definitely me. What about you? Hey, what's up people? This is Bijan and welcome to WhizMonk. Today I'm going to whiz away your mind on how to choose your signature scent. Let's understand why you should have a signature scent. Reason number one. A signature scent is that one fragrance which becomes part of our identity. When we meet people, our impression is created based on not only how we interact, but also how we smell. And we all wanted to create a positive impression, don't we? Reason number two. When you choose a scent for yourself, it is based on things you like. A signature scent is like an aphrodisiac that always uplifts your mood and makes you feel extremely happy. Reason number three. When you feel good, you are more confident and ready for every time you do something important. You feel more positive and more focused. Now that I have explained to you why you should have a signature scent, let me tell you how to choose your signature scent, as I had already promised you in my previous video on how to master the art of smelling nice. If you haven't watched that video, click on the link appearing on the screen now, there, or in the description below, and become a good smelling woman. You must be vigilant enough while picking your signature scent. After all, it is part of your persona, and I'm sure nobody wants to damage their image, right? Now, let's begin. In our daily lives, there are some scents that make us happy. It could be fresh flowers, fruits, food, or something else. While picking up your signature scent, you must choose one that makes you happy always, because it is going to be part of your identity, my friend. Try to understand if you really like subtle fragrances like some flowers or fruits, or strong scents like spices. A signature scent should be one that you could smell every day and which wouldn't give you a headache ever, whether it's a rainy day or scorching summer noon. Remember, scents are combinations, so while choosing your all-time scent, do inquire about all the ingredients that has gone into making it. You don't want to end up using a combination where you love one and hate the others. Just a simple rule to follow. Check here. Is your skin dry or oily? The oilier your skin, the lesser perfume you will need, as the scents can mix easily with the oil in your skin and diffuse the aroma well, making the scent last longer. Remember, fragrances evaporate very quickly on dry skin, dulling the scent effect. Look for the perfume oil percentage in the scent. For dry skin, I would recommend try to choose a scent with 20% perfume oil at least, so that it lasts longer. Never rush to buy a scent. Pay attention on how they smell on your skin for the longest time. Perfumes have notes. Yes, it is true. They have top, middle, and base note. Scents are built in layers and combinations. You can smell the top note, the strongest ingredient, as soon as you spray the scent. The middle layer can only be identified after a while, and the base ingredient is the one that creates long-lasting scent. So always wait for an hour or longer to understand the perfume and then decide on your selection. Wow! Bijon, what perfume are you wearing today? Amazing! When people compliment you on the scent you are wearing, know that you are wearing a fragrance that suits you and should be your signature scent. But if you are questioned about your fragrance in a tentative tone, then there is a scope of doubt. So Bijon, what fragrance are you wearing today? Don't hesitate to ask the reason for the question. If the perfume doesn't smell the same on you like before, or like at the store when you have purchased, try to identify the reason and eliminate it. You want to wear something that defines you and creates an everlasting impression, isn't it? And the much awaited, the wishful tip. While buying your perfume, make sure you try the fragrances in the beginning of the day. The reason? This is the time when you wouldn't have come across various smells. If you try fragrances by the end of the day, your nostril would have gone through various smells like food, sweat, or some other scents at home or outside. So make sure that you buy in the morning. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me today on how to identify and choose your signature scent. Please share your thoughts in the below comment section and I'll be more than glad to interact with you all. So my dear friends, if you really like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel WhizMonk. And most importantly, don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more interesting tips and tricks for that buzzingly wishful life which I promised you. So until next week, adios amigos, signing off your WhizMonk.